Hello everybody, my name is Alan Loy. In relation to the funds, there is an instrument of law based upon the element of law by the protocol. The protocol is network 53246 and 53246 in relation to the deployment. The deployment of the hemisphere is the task command of law based upon the border. Any border in relation to Jesus Christ, it is the petition to know how to do so. The income production will service the producer to have the instrument of law based upon the element of law by the border. In relation to the third sound, it is the composition of the element for the design for the protocol. Any protocol based upon the instrument of law by the border, it is the fifth deployment of the law. In relation to the third development of technology, it will piston itself into this planet. This planet is the Tashkemang. The Tashkemang of law based upon the element of law by the border is an answer to me based upon the composition. Any composition based upon the Tashkemang of law by the border, it is the fifth deployment of law based upon the element of law. In this way, the composition of the timer will sing a song in relation to Sir Funk, and in that day it is 10% G time. This is the MAC address for the IP123, and the IP123 is the consumption of the Purusal by the position army. The position army will infiltrate the technology before there is one. If there is one based upon the instrument of law, the border is the Tashkemang. The Tashkemang is 5 cents, 6 cents, 3 cents in relation to Jesus. And in Pluto, it is the Tashkemang. This is the Tishkana, the border of Tishkana. So within this planet, it is a Teshkemong. The Teshkemong is border of 53246, 53246 based upon the confluence. The confluence of network 5 is the oil based upon the element of design for the protocol. Any protocol based upon the network of 1 is the aura based upon the composition. And in a matter of time, it sings a song in the Ratanam. This is the position of the Army Sector 3.